Hey everyone, and welcome to Graphics Grow. Today, we are taking a look at something that might seem small, but can totally transform your designs. I'm talking about fonts and how to change them in Canva. Let's start by adding text. It's super simple. When you open a project, look to the left side of your screen. There is a text tab, so click it and you get multiple text options. I usually start with heading, so click on heading and a text box appear in the design. Now write the text inside the text box. Once you do it, you see that the text is written by a generic font, usually something like Canva Sans. If you want to change the font, which I highly recommend, click on the name of the font in the edit bar above your design. This way, you get an option to change the font. Now, you can either browse the font library or use the search bar to find a specific looking font. For example, if I type handwritten, Canva is then showing me all the handwritten fonts from their library. And if you like a font you have found, just click on it and it will change the entire text in the box to the new font. Just remember, if you have a free Canva plan, you cannot use any font you want. A font with a crown icon next to it means it can only be used if you have one of Canva's paid plans. But even with a free plan, you can find tons of stunning fonts that can usually improve your designs. So, I hope you like this simple and quick tutorial. And if you want, subscribe to the channel to get the latest tutorials about Canva.